Bayad na po.
Time to raise it up. Let's go. Filipinos, where you at? Pinoy lakas. Back yo. Mic check 1 2 1 2. You know we rolling in that Jeep now.
Blessed day everyone! Welcome to Pinoy Lakas Radio Streaming here in Casa de Quilcason via teasing your taste bud. I'm making some homemade apritada, okay guys? We already salted it with the garlic, onions, and also tomato. Now I'm actually boiling it with the dry garban sauce. Okay, this is the dry garban sauce. Usually the best way to do that is if you have a dry garban sauce, overnight soak it with the water, so in the next morning it will be bigger and softer, and it will be more easier to mix it with the meat that you like. Usually I put chicken and pork, but we don't have pork right now, so I'm just using the chicken. So this is one of my favorite ingredient is the garban sauce. So it will take a little bit longer to make that softer. So I'm going to show you the little by little, step by step. Okay guys? Okay guys, usually I use tomato sauce, but actually I'm gonna use spaghetti sauce, so it will be more a little bit sweeter taste on it, and it will taste really good. Okay, I'm using 1 can, and I'm gonna put a chopped diced tomato also. Very rich. We need to boil that for according to how the meat gonna be able to make it softer. Okay guys, so we'll wait for another couple of minutes, so we put more ingredient on this one. Okay guys, I just put my diced tomato. See how beautiful the color of the diced tomato right there. It's so rich. So we're gonna just stir it a little bit so it will go down. To anyone who's watching here, there's so many kinds of how to make apritada, and this is how I make it for my family. By the way, I put a tanglad also. Who knows tanglad, guys? Tanglad is the lemongrass. Para pang paalis ng lansa. Kasi minsan ang chicken malansa. Ayan, no? Tanglad yan. Okay, let us boil it a little bit more, and then ano natin, ha? Lalagay natin second ingredients. Okay guys, nailagay ko na ang patatas, okay? Ito na ang patatas natin. So, ang ilalagay na lang natin ay yung sweet pea at diced carrots. Okay, hold on. Let me go get it. Mahirap kasi itong mag-isa lang ang kamay na nagbibideo. Wait a minute. Nakikinig ako ng music ng ating Pinoy Lakas eh. I love you, Marky. Gusto ko tong ano na to eh. Okay guys, ayan na. Ang ganda ng kulay oh. May special ingredients pa tayong ilalagay mamaya. Hindi pwedeng wala yun kasi pag wala yun, hindi talaga lasa apritada. Yun ang one of the most important thing too. Pero sa akin, bawang at yun. Pag masyadong malabnaw, kailangan may biskotso kayong panglagay din, okay? Papakuluan natin na lang minuto, tapos ilalagay natin yung bell peppers. Kailangan wag masyadong luto yung kundi hindi masarap. Kailangan half cook lang siya. Okay guys, I'm streaming with my son Bagyo's video in YouTube at kasayahan with Much Carino. Anyway, eto na, dumating na si Doc, dala ang aking bell pepper. Missing lang yung green kasi mas gusto ko tong kulay na ito. Hindi lang nakakapagpaganda sa kulay ng ating pagkain, kundi parang napakasarap talaga eh, oh. Ayan oh, kumukulo-kulo na, right? Tapos yung potato, ano na natin to, ihiwa-hiwain na natin to guys, okay? Teka, tingnan natin muna si ano.
And also, actually, I said it was called jeepney, but the real name for it is called Pinoy.
Paano ba ko ano natin? Di ko ma-post yung music ni Mark kasi gusto ko marinig nyo eh. Eto na. Bayad na po. Magbayad na daw kayo. Sasakay kayo. Kailangan magbayad kayo ha. Jeepney ni Bagyo or Pinoy Lakas. Please follow him in his YouTube channel, Bagyo Music, or www.bagyomusic.com. Love you, anak. It's so painful, but we need to keep on moving para hindi makalimutan ang mga pinaghirapan mo. Yan, half cook na yung ating yung ating patata. So, na lang natin to. Hiwain na natin ha. Ang balakbayan ko, Honda Florante. Love you, Mark. Thank you sa balikbayan box din. Okay guys, this is it. It's cooked now. I'm still streaming with my son Bagyo.
My balikbayan, all people in the motherland, happy 2020 Philippine Independence Day.
Love you, Mark. Love you, Bagyo.
Such honorable people right here in Southern California to be blessed with a Muscarino and mass promotions. Everybody inside the village has been awesome and amazing and allowing me to, allowing us to do our thing in the village. Shout out to Adelio Cruz too, the Council General.
Brother Adel, mahal na mahal ka ng mo, brother mo. O, dumating na rin si Doc. Eto na yung I hope naririnig nyo ang background. Jeepney, Pinoy Lakas. You can find Bagyo at Bagyo Music at YouTube. Again, Bagyo Music YouTube channel, at Instagram and Snapchat and all the social media. In Facebook, you have two channel, Mark S. Villamaco and Bagyo. Bayad na po. Tignan nyo guys, ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan na yung ito na yung bell pepper. Oh. See the bell pepper? Tapos ito yung to? Ito na isang kulay na yellow. I wish you are here guys. Okay, yung last natin na gagawin yung pagkain na ni Doc. Okay guys, buhay Pinoy sa Amerika, saving your penny for a rainy day. Kaya magluto kayo ng homemade. Let me know kung sino may gusto na recipe. Tignan natin kung ano sasabihin ni Doc. Okay guys, Doc is home, so he's gonna try the apritada. He's been eating this for a long time, but it's been a long time that the last time I make it. So let's see if she still remember the taste. No bone, right? He doesn't like bone. He hates it when he bite the bone.
Just right.
Just right?
Not too salty, not too sweet. Just right.
Okay, good. You hear that, guys? It's a wrap. Thank you for streaming with me. Our homemade Apritada Buhay Pinoy in America. Teasing your taste bud. My Serenity Paradise Garden and Baguio Serenity Paradise Garden. I love you guys. Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time. God bless and Happy New Year from Baguio forever.
Pinoy